Na yedi nkomo nyame yadomo ochina na NPP amanyoko no in the Ashanti region internal election no in fact ebekoso regional executives drew ho na ayehuhuhu ho na eba that's a big question na ene yene Bernard Amofah Jantuah na ebechichi nkomo ogina say Ashanti regional first vice chairman for the NPP. Na wati ni din wehu ni mfonyini wati pi na yene no ebedi nkomo wa ha na yahwe die njikra na otu sa na mowe Bernard Amofah Jantuah, good morning.
Good morning, I say.
Nyame adumo na also.
Yankopado.
Wadama ben microphone no kakra mami. That's right. Aha. Bibia boko dia.
Yankopado, bibia boko.
Edo ba dia se. MPP den eko.
NPP.
Edeneko. This year. Mame fella.
Yeah, rebuild the party no.
Oh, Sam.
And you ma assistant ama vote akofom no. And we are now rebuilding the party. And we have passed also rebuild the party no for Big Power 2028.
Okay, party mate yo and that maybe a phone line is not to Michelle Danny party ma edin komo kakra. What should they expect?
Omo who say Amofah Jantuah eba beka regional executive no ho. Ama yakoji to me 2028. And you ma no election 2024 no ankoye.
Oh, okay.
Me call polling stations na okrom ha. Maybe one ma about 2 p.m. Obekona NPP for to 20%. My G data no. Me who say enko for anko to aba.
Wow. So sad.
Yeah, to aba.
What campaign manager wa Dr. Evans Dia. Good morning.
Good morning, Minya.
Bibi aboko dia. A form to say.
A form they use a lot of intelligence and data. And they met me a say party man in the momoa on which me a jumano. Any of Mombeboa ama jumana koyi. And Ubia say Assad and Nadia. I'm Bernard Amofah Jantuah. Or no need in a cocona which me a meeting.
Oh wow, interesting. Yeah. Na mamembra Bernard Amofah Jantuah ho. I mean nka wo de ho I mean usika na wontina fi.
Mintina.
I want to mean wontina fi na wondi usika no.
Mintina chire nka say executive to nko anko for victory no. I say me de me ho be support me be some party no.
Wow. Who is Bernard Amofah Jantuah?
Amofah Jantuah I branch am because school Pokuare. Na me call University of Kivas. Because I did a so University of Maryland, America.
Okay.
Now I'm a businessman.
Oh, okay.
Football industry. Chelsea, I'm the owner of Brecum Chelsea.
Oh, okay.
But my sum NPP or Bantoma. Me started as polling station chairman.
Okay.
And a constituency executive.
Okay.
It's a party in India. My sum party no at the grassroots level. Now, said the media 2024 and no my course no. Anya me fe. Timba boa. I'm a rebuilding party no for victory 2028.
Wow.
Tima call all the 47 constituencies delegates na ko kasa.
Eh, no I ade.
Omaje me message na tum. Say Jantuah we have boa. I'm here Big Power 2028.
E dey na e teach ma party ni mu a ohun ni say ase e ma obufu ye anase e ginger was okay we e kosu de me ho je party ni mu na metumi aba na masesa nioma.
I think say you are recognizing your youth no and I empower them. Youth
Measure by microphone no like face it very good.
Oh, okay.
I think that yeah.
Yes. Yeah, empower your youth no. And so share omo nyina ankoto aba. And omo ye party full soldiers no so no ya nhwe omo.
Okay.
And see o hwe ya 2024 your voter turnout na very very bad. So I'm coming on board. I will say motivate you omo. Say 2020 with my car to me no.
International say metiase edidija ena di mu na baaye. Enti oba no obehwe na sa issue ni nyina no. Wa address it. Okay, obi baby say oba adaben.
Hey.
That's one question ebia na obi baby say and obviously ebia na onimu ebia na afi na wati din no.
No say medical ka say my some party no from the grassroots level.
Okay.
As polling station executive. And I'm about constituency. 2016 Omo party no bar power. Na me come home.
Oh.
As a businessman, I was working from behind the scenes.
Oh, okay.
But this time around, for 2028, I was saying buy out and be a party.
Mm.
So my party, you might shop. I hope to band to my patron.
Okay.
I'm the current regional patron. My party, you might my yacht.
Oh, wow. Me pe enyoma miensa 3 major things would you say oba nyame adom na delegates etoma wa obetumi ayaboa party ni pa betumi ama party no ewini pa in 2028 enyoma akese miensa
One, make all the faction in the party abo. And now I know say there are a lot of factions in the party. Obi any Yamina Mabetchi may bring you all together for victory 2028. 2, I would say a resource all the constituency executives.
And what a dear son
Say it do election time out. Ayana omo bread because omo tie house omo twan resources from national. Jantuah ba abeboa omo amaya resources every constituency. So they know what I can do. Yes, me and better air.
Oh yeah.
They know say me ba all the 47 constituencies, me boa me resources for victory 2028.
Wow. What can you know?
Last one, security.
Security.
Yes.
Wow.
I'm a US trained security expert.
Oh, okay.
And your bus more every polling station home buying for 2028. Jantuah will help them.
And to what you say previously, no security at the polling station, no, and form.
I think so. Even though NPP was in power, but security was out.
Wow, interesting. Maminko campaign manager ho na also I mean mintie bibi. My year campaign. I mean much in pa. How is the reception as a campaign manager?
Yeah,
oh really?
Bernard Amofah Jantuah will be a donor delegates now show to us both in person and after Yakohono as down Kwani radio you see Momo. In fact, almost every single constituency out of the 47 Yakonina no chese omudi odo ahokeka asoyimu because omatini message na say ana they are willing say omode ne beba enti ene de meda ye delegate na se pa wodo madedi ni enim se nyame admechina no sao don so will be translated into numbers am I
when it comes to party management and transparency I think that it is one of the factors a moko opposition during the 2024 general election no na eba ne say na party ma epe obia obetumi akova sa loophole no
say offer Bernard Amofah Jantuah any how person operating na dedi kan chairman bia ye be na chenyame adom na ono otumi ne obi aye adwuma in fact omo di echi ene ne campaign no omo bona basoma enwanwa ya ye ne nam ne nyina no otumi ne obia aye adwuma oye sankofo na omfa ade ensie one of the reasons I became his campaign manager and I mean financial advisor.
Okay.
One na ye deal bia e wo say bia ye ni pattern no obeche ama asu bia so a onfa bi nyede ensie sa nipa bi say no waye bida obetumi aye ana akobantuma omunim di otumi ye ana Ashanti region so omunim di otumi ye enti for ye party no ne transparency ne senior no mabeko no metumi aka say Bernard Amofah Jantuah is the right person obetumi deliver sa victory na my 2020.
Okay. Yena nanu no ka asem bi omo se enwom na eda yeto no tofo ano mamenko Bernard Amofah Jantuah ho eden na ma we yesronko e free omo a woni omo e preside bre. What makes you different?
Me a businessman and business community no me nyom na tikromo ha na omo hu se Jantuah ebeka regional executives no ho a they all come on board to support. And yes, but I know say most of the business guys, on board for party, and behind the scenes, we know moody in cover. Say me on board that they will come back and help the party. Bibri Atiatana, we on more a road contractor or boy for some reasons yɛba power yɛnhwɛ no wate atena but me no mu nyina yɛ kasa Nyankopɔn yɛ adom na mbɛyɛ executive I'll bring all of them on board to resource the party.
Okay, don't you think say bia open the brain no amaze wakasa yede so say yedi the brain mawa at the end of the day no bon say nneoma bi a woka ye ne wo ne ye no ebo ebra ene ne nko eba no sa na what should the party members do?
Party for no me mugide and small me kan my bida okoba ntuma Jantuah record da ho how me some polling station executives and executives enti anya numdwa the maye and America to mo gide se Jantuah ba obetimi aye wohwe ye nipa 4 and ye call this contest emu 2 there omasom position na me penoma ye bida and I think that we need a new face NPP here new energy na ya the team ko power it mean for old strategy na ema bebrebo fu your motutena ye no ensa nko 2028 now we need freshmen new energy for the party.
Okay, wow, interesting because enkomo we hear me there because un say Ashanti region ye key power.
Yes,
Ashanti region ahana party ni through mashe but I say timer ye to abani wiye na obia I mean enyoma nkoye ntina say Kumasi krade na ahaye din and at first na me kana no pay say edin say in Ashanti region way back now obehu say obi she NDC t-shirt kra enam krum ba say no I mean yetehu prsa at a point no na me bisa say NPP penny can NPP bounce back ye betumi enya sa kufuo NPP so no Professor Dubois him more time ye betumi enya sa NPP no
say medical ka say ye rebuilding party no tina businessman to say me no me ba beka ho we need new energy to move the party forward. Okay. And your man in the past they call I think below 60-70% and he was say Jantuah beka ho near go back to 80% and above. NPP in the region.
Mami bisa question we say nyame adom na I mean delegate AU na say nyame boa na say 2028 general election NPP winia Ashanti region dia pa na I mean opese aban ni yema Ashanti region pa say aban ni to me na wo serve just a term kra na you okay with that?
I know the Numa NPP Juma youth unemployment no was it's messy and I mean say Dr. Bomiaka see by employment for youth unemployment no was true so I think say number one employment they build more factories.
Wow.
Yes, we have that policy.
More person more build factories in the Ashanti region.
A lot of industries across Ghana, not only in Ashanti.
Oh, okay, across Ghana.
Yes.
Wow. Is this feasible?
Very feasible. Private sector, we empower more.
Because for all we know how I mean how our politicians it's deal with I mean ammonium and you maybe it is obiaka say I can fokra ya ka say America sebio ye de ko ya nesto no nye no ana ye di free ho na abo no de fidie mu a nizunku e na wuja no so a nizunku because I'm just looking at the feasibility because looking at the resources I or any ade I mean to me.
We are your policy or create a lot of employment.
Wow. Bernard Amofah Jantuah Ejina as first vice chairman for the NPP in the Ashanti region. And yeneno etwetwe nkomo no. Mesa ba no so with the final words, but mamin ko the campaign manager Dr. Evans Dia na mintie bibi kakra emfiri no ho. Se fiti sabre ya ekopem nyame ya adomo china. About one ebe kosono then the delegating ye say I mean then on beto but ye outside the ballot box no what should they do?
I think your come on your casem back up catchum your catchum say Bernard Amofah Jantuah AUB waye bida the waye no edda ho amunim and obetumi so aye the tosumi no Bernard Amofah Jantuah owonkaye obi oni na ye adwuma da bie nim se on ohye wo ba odi sa abɔhye ne so Inti adboshe bi a washow mu policy bi odi atu manu bia no omoto abama na obeye de toso miensa oye people's person
Pastor yeah na we page voice in kakra
oye people's person otumi mobilizing nipa obetumi mobilizing nipa ma or the resources aba obi oye adwuma e was sports bia no football Brekum Chelsea Bantama Lions ni na ye ne dia nti onim how ye nipa ye de adwuma businessmen wo Ashanti regional wo national onim how beboa ama party no aye akono mobilize resources nti e be show mo se ne enyo madi nkomo okoko mu no omontoma nipa obetumi aye adwuma ama 2028 yetumi ama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia abe president of Ghana as a party.
Okay, thank you very much. Mamenko mia minia penny ashenkwa ho. I think so on so bibika by na man kebi de nyokra. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Bibi awako de.
Say how many ajo.
Oh, sabu.
Why a fresh power. Now odo ho so bebo the freshest man of all town there na say only problem cry.
Okay.
Sunday on victory party near Bayeno. I think say you be here or pass or be because or what are over Sunday we are any the chairman, the elected chairman, first vice with the NPP Ashanti region. About party na say about the mama. Why is it
okay, but yes.
Time I dim could maybe near the part of the guy when I ban and near the BP more wire for us.
But yes,
now unim who say now me need do fi one year din komobi and I say I say we campaign manager no or ne o candidate o mi na daboko ko for kan sembi me say obekaya o say ensuo hye emfa nipa
sure
ne mom ensuo nyu
I remember
and the nipa
papa kan
Kofi contest ne yakoni sisi ye any 2028 elections no enye
David
action na so obey action na o wed na si menya so ba kofo bi so me chairman e ma wed na so ba o ba betena ho no abey osana no osana sa no aso no ko e wo se unya obi obey chairman na ma o program na se unwie no onko se dem nkosu yewra Bernard Amofah Jantuah e obi a se wo hwe way back no e dem party no e wa Ashanti region eni bi nya Ashanti nkwan Ghana hwe secret bi wo no ono no mpe si wo ne sa ne ma no the business and
these are the people we need.
Yes,
yeah, we need business minded.
Yan kwate dro ne mra na haban no ahaban na de kwate na hia o.
That's right.
Yan fa ne say party no opposition ya wa Ashanti region ya pese e ko formina e ko outreach formina Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia na leader of the party.
Okay.
National chairman and general secretary enfa logistics enfam free and crime emedu Kumasi but I was say region movie ko formina
okay
eko ye adwuma
okay
eko pay vote every formina
okay
now obi a oye first vice na wa wie ni ne ho oni bi obetwe o twen say party fa bi mla na obi ono wo bi ono no obetia movie akwansa na party ni bi aba o se obi preference
yeah preference
oh obetia preference party no work region mu
okay
ansakra na mpanifo di bi aba ye mpese obi aba ye say ye de party ni be kwakoto nsani ani akwakopo bi mu opposition just 2 years no masa enyagro e say delegate no enkomo ye no mu di ye e wo bra ye ba wo mo na so no ensem mo ka kire yen ene anohoba a wo de aboye no
okay
say ye adwuma nyame adma edachena
okay
na ye the movie party dia ko nanim a Kofi I bet you say 2028 elections no NPP be bounce back na vote be nya no region no e bra ye wura Bernard Amofah Jantuah e first vice no e be dance so e bi nsida.
Okay, me da say me senior achinkwa na what in kan ma menko Bernard Amofah Jantuah ho na menko je the final words
Kofi NPP constituency executives ma call mu nyina na so
okay
all the 47
okay
enkomo a me ne omadi no omagi atum na nye bibia na ma beka o ensem ni bi o ho no ma fi asem me ne omakasa na me wo mu gidie so mo di Jantuah ababeka original executive as first right and ebiem omonim say many nipa metimi aka party na bom
okay
many obi a metimi a resource party no so bibia crown free national maya they know communicators women organizers youth organizers they know say ofre Jantuah obebua amokoye campaign and na last one Kofi magi data all police station ehu omo man to aba Say me Baba first vice me call polling station bia ni omako kasa.
Okay.
Omo man to about my party, I have the data now.
Wow.
Ye ni madrukonti omankoto.
Okay.
Ye call ni omako akokasa. Asho mun cry say 2028 ombeto Emma Dr. Bawumia Emma president.
Okay, Bernard Amofah Jantuah, aspiring Ashanti Regional first vice chairman for the NPP, and yeneno achichinkomo. In fact, we've had a very interesting conversation, and share ni mo say at the end of the day, no, at the end of nyamiya adomo a ochina no yembo aba no na nkunimdie aye nedia. But is there any bibia opesa oka membisa ho asem?
Kofi. The who here in my call monas no mako.
Okay, Mati.
We be also no can be a makana or my message in Swatu.
Okay.
And they know say with Jantuah there's gonna be a new face in the regional executive. Our new energy man.
Okay.
Almost among say more party. So we need new energy for victory 2028.
Okay. Mera say Nyankopon endi wachi. Nananom so endi wachi na dia ohwehwe bia no. Oh me jina nanom li. Me jina nanom ni di pa. Ewo ho. Hey. Na yeti opem so asase so a. Nana ye bo udin anaja. Ye pagya yemu kakra. Ye hira wo. Nti unhira ni bia ene krekra yemu. Nana no nhira endi wachi. So ena ye de ye nkomo twetwe no ebesi eya Ahemfie TV, Ahemfie FM.